Hey, everybody, and welcome to the Miss Lalana's game show where you, and you get to win what? Absolutely nothing, but you do get to get smarter and smarter every day. Now, for this week, I will be recording a lot of mini game shows, a lot of mini series. Mini game shows. I might record several today, several tomorrow, every day. So go ahead and before we begin, get your scrap paper or your notebook and get something to write with. If you're going to use a board, a marker, get your competition. Maybe you're getting a friend, an enemy, a family member. Go ahead and get them now. This episode is about ordering decimals, putting them in order from least to greatest. Are you ready to begin? All right, because these are mini game shows, we're not going to have 10 questions. You're only going to have 4 questions, 4 chances to get 4 points to win and beat who you are playing against. Are you ready to begin? All right, question number 1. Order the following decimals from least to greatest. We have A, 8 and 3600ths, B, 8 and 1100ths, C, 8 and 449 thousandths, D, 8 and 792 thousandths. Now, to put them in order, you need to line them up just like this. You see how the decimal is lined up, but there is something we need to do with these empty spots. What's that? Fill in your zeros. Don't forget, fill in those zeros and then compare them place by place and put them in order from least to greatest. Go ahead and write the letter along with the decimal number and put them in order. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, this is the correct order. First, we have B, 8 and 1100ths, or 8 and 110 thousandths. Next, we have A, 8 and 3600ths, or 8 and 360 thousandths. Next, we have C, 8 and 449 thousandths. And last, we have D, 8 and 792 thousandths. If you notice, I highlighted the 8. Since they're, where is it? Right there. Since they're all the same, then I move on to the next place, the 10th place, to compare. All right, who got the point? All right, number 2. Actually, you know what? Maybe you could just, everyone that gets the answer right, go ahead and get a point, okay? All right, the next one, we have a list. Put those in order from least to greatest. We have A, 4 and 8400ths. B, 4 and 7400ths. C, 5 whole. D, 4 and 546 thousandths. Now, before you begin, there's something you need to do with that 5. You need to add that decimal to that 5 and then put your zeros. Fill in your zeros for the other numbers as well. All right, pause the video if you need that. Pause the video if you need more time. If not, the correct order of the decimals is, first we have D, 4 and 546 thousandths. Then we have A, no, not A, B, 4 and 7400ths, or 4 and 740 thousandths. Then we have number 3 is A, 4 and 8400ths, or 4 and 840 thousandths. And last we have C, 5. If you notice, I highlighted the whole number. Since the 4s were the same, then I just looked at the 4s, the 10th place, and the ones that had 4 as a whole number. All right, who got the point for that one? All right, so again, like I said, whoever, if you get the answer right, you get a point, okay? All right, number 3, put these decimals in order from least to greatest. We have A, 67 and 882 thousandths. B, 67 and 659 thousandths. C, 67 and 7/10. D, 67 and 96 hundredths. So have them lined up just like that. Don't forget to do what? Fill in your zeros. All right, put them in order from least to greatest. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, the correct order is, bam, right here. The first one is B, 67 and 659 thousandths. Then C, 67 and 7/10. A, 67 and 882 thousandths. And finally D, 67 and 96 hundredths, or 960 thousandths. All right, that's question number 3. And the last question in our mini game show for ordering decimals is number 4. Go ahead and put these in order from least to greatest. We have A, 96 and 79 hundredths. B, 96 and 56 hundredths. C, 96 and 6/10. D, 97. Don't forget, fill in your zeros. There's a number there that you need to put a decimal point for. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, the correct order of these decimals is, bam. First, we have B, 96 and 56 hundredths. Next, we have C, 96 and 6/10, or 96 and 60 hundredths. Next, we have A, 96 and 79 hundredths. And then we have D, 97. All right, so how many points did everybody get? There were a total of 4 points you could have earned in this game show. You should have gotten all 4. If not, make sure you are practicing ordering decimals. If you need any help, let me know. Ask a friend. If you are the champion today, if you got all 4 questions correct, help a friend. All right, find another video of another game show, another mini game show. Maybe you want to compete against that same person. Maybe you want to pick someone else. All right, love you. Mwah.